Would you like to know how Jeff Bezos built a $1.4 trillion empire by ignoring his competition? Instead, he focused on one key area that most companies miss today. You won't believe what he says you should focus on. Bezos says there are two types of businesses, those that prioritize profit and those that prioritize customers. Amazon, it's all about customers. Here's the exact strategy they use to dominate. Day one mentality. Bezos called it a day one mentality. Every day at Amazon is like the first day of business. They innovate as if they're still a startup. No resting on past success. Never think you've made it, keep your edge. Extreme focus on customer experience. Amazon obsessed over making things easier for customers. One-click ordering, prime delivery, personalized recommendations, all designed to make buying frictionless. How can you make your customers' life easier? When Barnes & Noble came for Amazon, Bezos told his team, "Don't focus on competitors, they don't send us money." Instead, Amazon kept its head down and obsessed over customer service. Lesson: focus on what matters, your customer. Amazon asks customers for feedback, listens to it, and acts. From delivery speeds to website UX, every improvement came from customer suggestions. If you don't listen to your customers, you're missing out on pure gold. Amazon had big ideas, but it's their execution that mattered. They scaled distribution, cut down shipping times, and expanded product lines, all while maintaining razor-thin margins. Ideas are cheap, execution builds empires. 1. Make it easy for your customers. 2. Solve their problems before they even know they have them. 3. Keep feedback loops tight and iterate fast. 4. Build your business with customer obsession. 5. Focus your copy on customer pain points. 6. Make every word about them, not you. 7. Simplify the buying process. If you found this interesting, please follow Paschal Times, share and like this video for more business and entrepreneurs success tips.